It's G.057 and got a few things I want to show you. Yes, you're probably thinking it's toxic waste. No. Oh, more pellets. Oh, more pellets. Weird. Oh, BB Gun. My new one. I'm going to show you. All metal. I'm not going to shoot it. Takes 0.6mm BBs and puts it in the box. Full size 1:1 scale. Okay. I'll talk to you a little bit about it and tell you what it is, etc. Okay. This gun is much bigger than the more bigger than the P618. P618 is a 1:1 scale, higher performance and fully assembled, but it's only about that big, about there. But you see the difference between the box size. Big difference. So yeah, I like it. Yeah. I got it when it came with 2003 BBs. Yeah, 2000. Yeah. And yeah, it was really good. Costed quite a bit. Not a lot though, just quite a bit. And yeah, my gun, I normally use smaller BBs. It's 1000 BBs. No, that's these. You put these in there. So I don't really. Okay. There's my. I don't know how many are in there, but there's a lot. It did come with a laser, but the person who sold it to me took the laser away for some strange reason. My gun is about the same size as this. No, bigger than this box. It's a G.056 BB gun. It's one of the best BB guns, I think. Pistols, yeah. It's black and takes 0.6mm BBs.